Student, today we are continuing our lesson number 5th, probability. Okay, in this session we learn sample space. Sample space. First thing, what do you mean by the sample space? Sample space, the definition of the sample space is the set of all possible outcomes of a random experiment is called the sample space. The set of all possible outcomes of a random experiment is called the sample space. It is denoted by capital letter S or omega, a Greek letter omega. Okay, the definition of the sample space is a set of the set of all possible outcomes of a random experiment is called the sample space. Random experiment means in this experiment result is known and every result it having or every outcome is having same possibility. Okay, and for each element of sample space is called a sample point. Each element of a sample space is a sample point. The number of element in the set S is denoted by n of S. If n of S is finite, then the sample space is said to be a finite sample space. Okay, here is here the sample space. In that sample space there is some outcomes or the element, and every element or the each element of sample space is called a sample point, and the number of element or the number of sample point in the set S is denoted by n of in bracket S or n of S. If n of S is finite, then the sample space is said to be a finite space, sample space. Now, following are some examples of finite sample spaces. Suppose, okay, here we have given the examples. Okay, there are some standard examples of sample space. Yeah, okay, in that in that table, random experiment, sample space and number of sample point in yes. Okay, now here suppose the first experiment is one coin is tossed. You know that if we toss one coin, then there are two outcomes. One is head and another is tail, head and tail, and this is represented by capital letter S is equal to in curly bracket H and T is the sample space of event or random experiment. One coin is tossed and number of sample point is in S, n of S is equal to 2. The second experiment, if we toss two coins or the two coins are tossed, then the sample space is S is equal to the ST, TT, TH and double T, and n of S is equal to 4. N of S is equal to 4. Okay, how many numbers element here? There are 4 elements. That's why n of S is equal to 4. The third example, sample space or the random experiment first. Third example, 3 coins are tossed. Then the sample space is 3 times HH, HHT, TH, THH, H double T, THT and TTH and triple T. Okay, these are the sample space of random experiment. 3 coins are tossed, and how many number of element in this sample space? There are 8 element or the sample point. Then n of S is equal to 8. Then the fourth one, a die is shown. You know that die having there are 6 outcomes, and which are there? Write in sample space. S is equal to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then n of S is equal to 6. Then the second, third, fifth one, 2 dice are thrown. Then 2 dice are So, then yes of then you that if we simultaneously two dice are shown, then we get the two outcomes at a time, and these outcomes we may represent in this way. S is equal to, in curly bracket, 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6, like as 2 1 2 6, 3 1 2 3 6, 4 1 to 4 6, 4 5 1 to the 5 6, and 6 1 to the 6 6, like that. Then here the n of s is 6 is the 6 into 6 36. The outcomes are the total number of sample piece of this sample point of this sample space is 36. Similarly, a card is drawn from the pack of number 1 to 25. Then here sample space is 1 2 3 up to the 25, and n of s is equal to 25. Then the seventh one, a card is drawn from a well shepherd pack of playing card. Then it is, there are how many sample pairs here? There are 52 outcomes of the sample point. Then n of s is equal to the 52. Now the next, let us remember the sample pairs for a coin toss twice is the same as that two coins tossed simultaneously. The same is true for 3 coins. Okay, if we our event is, or the sample random experiment is, if we toss 2 coin as same, the 2 coin, if we toss 2 coin, then at that time the number of n of s is equal to 4, and if we take the same experiment or toss simultaneously, then it is the same outcomes. There are 4 outcomes. In case of 3, how many outcomes? 8, and if we toss 3 times one coin, 3 times, or toss simultaneously, then the outcomes are same. Same in case of the die also, the sample space for a die roll twice is the same as 2 dice roll simultaneously. Okay. By using this information, we solve the practice set number 5.2. Okay. By using this chart, this is important. Okay. We find out how to write the sample space in this way. Okay. By using this information, okay, you solve practice set number 5.2. Thank you.